Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeiran and today we're working our glutes and abs to get that nice hourglass shape. You don't need any equipment for this workout, just make sure that you have something soft beneath you because we'll be on the floor the entire time. Now let's get into the workout. So in this workout we've got 2 sets, 23 exercises in total, 30 to 40 seconds on and 5 to 10 seconds off. Get on the mat and we're starting with sit-up toe taps. Lay on your back and from that point come all the way up and touch your toe with the opposite hand of the leg. Then repeat on the other side. Don't forget to engage your core. No rest, and next is pistol crunch. Extend one leg on the floor and lift the other over your head. With your arms straight, crunch your body up and over and start pulsing. Keep your shoulders and back off the ground. It almost looks like you're holding a pistol. Now we're doing the same onto the other side. We've got 10 seconds rest and next is bicycle crunch pulses. Bring your elbow to the opposite knee to pulse, then alternate. Think about your ab and squeeze it every time you bring your knee to your elbow. Body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. 5 seconds rest, we're moving into toe to knee touches. Bring your elbow to the opposite knee, then reach to touch your toe. Repeat on the other side and remember to breathe out as you crunch. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one did that. We've got 10 seconds off here. Now get on the elbow plank position and we're doing some hip dips. Rotate your hip from side to side, bringing it to the floor as close as possible. Keep your back nice and flat and engage your core. Great work guys, side plank dip is next. Place your elbow on the floor directly underneath your shoulder with palm grasping the floor. Lower your hip to the floor, then press up through your waist to lift your hip back to the starting position. For low impact, keep your knees on the floor. Now change the side. Squeeze your glutes and keep your hips up the whole time, trying not to sink into your hips and shoulders. Again, if that's too challenging for you, keep your knees on the floor. Well done guys, 10 seconds rest. Now flip around onto your back and cross crunch variation is next. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent, lift and rotate your elbow over to the opposite knee. Alternate sides, then crunch bringing both elbows to knees. Press your lower back into the floor and try not to pull on your neck. Short rest, heel touches variation is next. Raise your head and shoulders off the floor, alternate touching each ankle with your hands moving from side to side, then try to touch with both hands at the same time. Make sure not to work your neck, but instead your abs. 10 seconds rest here. Now lie on your right side and oblique V crunch is next. Fully extend your arms and legs, then raise both legs and your torso simultaneously, trying to touch your right ankle with your right hand and squeezing the abs. Now on the other side. We're really working those ab and oblique muscles, so keep pushing guys, you can do it.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never...
Great job guys, we're halfway through. Now get on your fours and donkey kick with pulses next. Kick your right foot up toward the ceiling, perform a couple of pulses, then come back to the starting position. Remember to engage your glutes. No rest and we're moving into straight leg circles. Keep your hands under shoulders, knees under your hips and back straight. Lift one leg up and draw circles with it. Focus on using your glutes to do the movement and squeeze it harder.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or
10 seconds rest here and we're swapping to the other side. Remember to contract your glute muscles and squeeze it.
haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.
No rest here guys, straight leg circle is next. Make sure to keep your back flat and engage your glutes.
After all that we've been
10 seconds rest. Next we've got fire hydrants. Keeping your wrists under shoulders and your knees hip width apart, raise your right leg up and out to the side until it's level with your hip, then return to the starting position. We are targeting all areas of our glutes to give that nice shape to our bum, so keep squeezing. We are going straight to fire hydrant pulses. Keep holding as high as you can and make small pulses on top. We're almost there, keep pushing. Ten seconds rest and we're switching the sides. Lift your knee out to the side as high up toward the ceiling as you can and engage your glutes. No rest and we pulse on top. I know it's burning, but keep pushing guys, only 3 more exercises to go.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you
Short rest, now lie on your stomach and we've got single side glute lifts. This one should be easier. Bring one leg at a time to the side to open, return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Support your head on the backs of your hands, focus on doing the movement primarily with your glutes. No rest, we're getting straight into single reverse frog. Spread your knees wider than your hips, bringing the soles of your feet together. From there, squeeze your bum to lift one leg at a time off the floor. Do it slow and controlled.
even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told.
We've got 10 seconds rest and the last exercise is reverse frog pump. Squeeze your glutes, driving your hips into the floor and lifting your both legs off the floor.
On your own.
And we're done with the workout, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to smash that like button and drop a comment below on how you're feeling. Subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't done it yet, and see you guys in the next workout. Bye!